Hey everyone, Tim here again with another daily trade review at Millennial Investments. In this trade, we're going to be looking at Vxrt, which provided a 266.18% return on the trade. But before we get started though, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified about our free trade alerts as we release them. In order to gain access to our free trade alerts, be sure to register your free membership at Millennial Investments to gain even more access to daily investment information, educational tools, and potential trades. So let's get into Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick update on Vxrt after the stock provided us with another 266.18% on the trade after it hit 24.88 in today's session. This is actually giving us another 100% from our initial trade alert on January 14th. Yesterday we were looking to come into today's trading session to see if the stock could break through the 1749 levels of resistance, and after today's trading session we're now looking to see if we will conduct a reversal of the resistance to support to see if the 1749 will become the future support levels, or if the stock will break down through those levels from a heavier sell-off from profit taking or simple consolidation. Definitely something to keep an eye on going into tomorrow's pre-market and market open sessions, as the stock is still showing movement to the upside, although we could see a potential gap down in tomorrow's pre-market session or market open. And I'm assuming, based on the 1 hour here, if you look, we are seeing the EMAs rest between the 19 and the 20 is where I'm thinking this should gap down to. This could keep going up now. I'm not saying that it's gonna go straight down. I'm not saying it's gonna go straight up. But when you have this large gap between your EMA, just like you did here, you see that it consolidated. And this is actually yesterday, or no, this is this morning's open. But also here, if you see this gap, you see that we came and met those EMAs before we gapped up again, gapped down, met that EMA, gapped up. So we expect this to gap down back to the $19 to $20 price levels. Don't panic unless we start seeing a straight trend dropout. I can kind of zoom in here to let you see what that would look like. Let's see, we have to go back on the stock somewhere where we see an EMA crossover. All right, so this is the stock crossing over to the upside. This is what we'll be looking for our sell signal. If it goes through this motion here, if we start seeing these signals, we'll have our hands on the trigger to sell it. We'll have an alert set ourselves to make sure that we are aware when it does occur. But the momentum of the EMAs is looking to be straight up. So we could potentially, if we just take the current trend that it's in and top it out, we're looking at potentially the 26 price levels by, let me land that here. We're at a 40-degree incline, so this could potentially go to the 26 to 32 price ranges over the next few trading sessions, and that's this week. That's an additional 100% on the trade. So keep an eye out on this. Also keep an eye out that the stock hits this and keeps this trend line as well. So I'm glad we were able to provide this for our investors and members here at Millennial Investments. I'm not quite sure if this was a premium or free alert. Let me see. Vxrt was actually a premium alert. So if you're interested in getting access to these premium alerts, be sure to register your premium membership. It's only $69 a month for all-out access. You get all of our swing trades. You get all of our weekly options versus the free membership where you get one free daily swing trade. And we do this because of the fact that it takes our time and effort to find more and more trades as we go through the trading sessions while still trading ourselves. So you got to think of it from that aspect. Of course, we have to operate and manage the platform. So We're not here to take money, but we are here to make sure that we can keep our platform in place. I want everybody to understand that concept. We are not some get rich scheme, which is why our trade alerts are authentic and why they provide the returns that we're currently seeing. But further ado, go ahead, hit that like and share button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified on our free trade alerts. We will not be producing any premium trade alert videos when the trade alerts are initially made, just so you're aware of that moving forward. But look in the description to connect with us on Facebook, Twitter. We even have a Discord educational community with Investors Talk, one of our partners, for you to find information to research and become a better investor yourself. So moving forward, let's see how this works out tomorrow. I hope everyone followed our split and run just to protect your initial investment. And this is why I want to add another note to this video, based on the backlash I got from saying that we should do the split and run on SNDL yesterday. This is why I say that. So we got into this trade. Let me take a little bit more of your time. We got into this trade at $6.80. Yesterday it hit $15.80. Okay, that is more than 100%. It's 132, I think, to be precise. If we sold the initial $100 that we put in at $6.80, we would have another $100 in this trade. Well, guess what? Today we actually doubled that $100 and made another $200 while protecting our initial investment. That's the name of the game, man. Lower the risk. Take away the risk from the initial investment and let the money you made off it make you more money. If you start losing some of that money, then sell. You have money to sell. Put a stop loss on it. And just so you know, our stop losses are 5%. Reason being, stocks move 5 to 10% every day. We guarantee 10 to 20% swings. So we put a 5% suggested stop loss on our trade alerts, and then there's a sell threshold of 10%. If we see any movement from that 5% suggested stop loss back to the upside, that's why we don't sell specifically at 5%. Because there's still potential opportunity. And you only lose money if you sell it. Remember that too. I saw a lot of people in today's AMC price action, lose some money. They even got back into the trade. It bounced back from $6 to about $8.50, and now it's riding at $7.82 on the close. I'm not sure what aftermarket's looking like. It's at $7.92 aftermarket. But regardless, protect your initial investment. That's the name of the game. But anyways, I'm not going to hold you any longer. Glad we were able to provide this for you. Look forward to more money and have a nice day. Good luck trading.